Welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to hack any Wi-Fi network and display its password. But the caveat here is you must be connected to the network recently, currently, or previously. Now, the purpose of this tutorial is for educational purposes only. You are not under any circumstance allowed to go and use it to gain access to someone's network without the consent of the person. This channel will not be held liable for how you use this information or this lecture or this tutorial. So it is for educational purposes only. So now head over to your Windows menu. Then you type CMD. Then run as administrator. Now let's maximize this. So now you are going to type in the following commands. So we start with NETSH, then WLAN, then show profiles. Then you hit enter. Now it's going to display the user profile. So these are all Wi-Fi networks that I have been connected to previously, presently, or currently. Okay, so now go ahead and then pick the one whose password you want to hack. So let's start with the iPhone one there, right there. Okay, let me show you that. So from this profile iPhone. Okay, so we are going with that. So to hack that, let's go back and retype our command. Okay, then NETSH WLAN show profiles. Then you bring space again, then double quotation, then you move in and then you type in the profile name exactly as it is showing on your screen. So there we have iPhone. Then you move out and give space. Then you type key equal clear. Then you hit enter. Now when you do, all the profile information about that particular Wi-Fi network named iPhone is going to show on your interface. Then move ahead and then go to security settings. Then under security settings, we are going to look at the key contents right here. So our focus is the key contents, this and this. So the key content is the one that is going to display or where the password is being displayed. So this berries at 24 is the password for the Wi-Fi network for that particular one, which is iPhone. Okay, so let's pick another one and then do the same thing. So now let's go with Galaxy A02. So we go back and then type our command NETSH WLAN show profiles. Then double quotation, you move in and type the Galaxy A02. Move our space, then you type key equal clear. Then you hit enter. So same way, you are going to move to the security settings. Okay, so under security settings, then you look for the key content. So there lies the password for this Wi-Fi network as well. Okay, so this is how you can hack any Wi-Fi network that has been connected to your machine. So if you like this brief tutorial, we kindly ask you to like the video, share it, and then subscribe to the channel to stay updated and get more in the future. Thank you.